everyone, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making these really fun magic slider cards. If you've been following us for a while, you've probably seen some of the other designs we have for these. But these are the Summer Strawberry magic slider cards. And they come with a cute little freebie that we'll be showing you in a minute. So let's go ahead and get these put together. Okay, so to begin with, we printed everything on cardstock, the magic slider pieces, and then these white kind of like backing cards. And then we also printed these transparent cards on transparent paper. And we'll put a link down below for the paper that we used. And then we also have this freebie for you. There'll be a link for this as well down in the video description below. And these are just some pockets and some tags that we're going to put on the back of our magic slider cards in a little bit. But to begin with, we're going to go ahead and cut out all of the pieces and then we'll start assembling. And I am cutting the transparent cards, and when I cut these, I'm going to try to cut the black part off so that you don't see it at all. So use this as a kind of backing really quickly here. So I'm just going to try to cut this black part completely off. So just stay as close to it as you can when you're cutting. Okay, you can see there's no black lines around the outside because I cut those off. Okay, so I have all of the pieces cut out, and now I'm going to go ahead and start assembling. So we want to locate this piece right here, and it says glue here. What we're going to do is glue this inside of this outside frame. Glue here, and then it goes inside where the window is, just like that. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and glue our card together as well. And before you glue it, you might wanna just check to make sure it looks right, that you don't need to trim it. There's a little bit of extra on this side because, I folded it just slightly, crooked or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and just trim that up really quickly, just to make that look a little nicer. And then we'll go ahead and glue these tabs. Just the tabs, don't get any glue inside. Alright, so this is open inside here. And I'm going to round up these corners just a little bit, trim them up a little. Okay, we'll leave that for a moment. And then what we want to do is locate the clear piece that matches our picture. And this is the strawberry. And whenever you're doing this, just double check that you don't have it backwards. Make sure that they'll line up. And what we're going to do is apply just a bead of glue right here on the top of our clear piece. Actually, I'm going to probably do it on here on this white one so you can see it. Just a thin bead of glue right there at the top. And then we're going to go ahead and align this piece. And you may have to do just a tiny bit of adjusting to make sure it's aligned so that the black outline is over the top of the colored picture. All right, and we'll let that dry for a moment and we'll grab these two pieces. These are going to be the top that you pull out the card with, the tabs. And I'm going to apply just a little bit of Distress ink around these. And the reason is when we put them together, sometimes they're not perfectly the same size because of the way you cut. And you can see little bits of white showing. So we're going to try to disguise that just a little bit. Okay, and then what we want to do is put a thin little bead of glue on the back bottom part of our tab, and we're going to attach it to our card. Just like that. And then we're going to flip it over and we're going to sandwich it using the other piece. You can go ahead and apply glue all to the back of this one. And I'm going to cut out some matching pieces. So on the back of this is where we're going to add one of these pockets and maybe some tags. So I want to decide kind of which one I want on the back of this one. And if you're interested in any of the items that we're using today, we have a link to our Amazon shop below where we have a lot of these items listed. I think I'll ink the edges of this just to help it stand out a little bit. I'm just going to apply glue to the sides and bottom to create the pocket. Okay, so I cut some of the freebie tags. I'm just trying to decide which one I like in here. Kind of like this green. I also like some red, just a little bit of a pop. They're both cute. I'm gonna go with green though. I'm gonna give it a little bit of cheesecloth for texture. And we're gonna go ahead and just separate the clear part from the colored part like this. You can see that. And we're going to put them on either side of this little divider card that we glued in earlier. And that's gonna divide the clear part from the colored part, and that's what makes magic. Okay, and then we've got these two little tabs at the top, and we're gonna just fold those over. And I like to pop mine up just a little bit so that they kind of stick off the top, but that's up to you. But we do want to glue them completely closed. Add some glue. Try not to get it on your card, just on the tab. This is a little bit tricky because it's tiny. And go ahead and close it all the way. You don't want it to be open inside this little fold because otherwise the card will slide out of the pocket. So we need to keep that folded. Okay, and if we did this right, we should have a little bit of magic when we pull this out. Changed color. Very fun, very cool. And on the back, we've got our little freebie pocket and tag, just a little something fun and extra and cute. All right, everyone, thanks so much for joining us. I hope that you'll like and subscribe and comment down below, and we will see you guys next time. Thanks, bye.